Hello everyone, my name is Taufik from Tenet Technetronics. Today I'll be taking you through some of the components that we have and I'll be giving you a brief explanation of all the components. Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you an introduction to the IR sensor, a demonstration of an IR sensor with an IC358, that is LM358 IC operational amplifier. So as we know, this LM358 IC is a dual operational amplifier, so it does work with a single power supply or could be made to work with a split power supply also. So with this IC we will be making to work an IR sensor and a receiver, as you can see here. So here this white color is an IR transmitter and this is the black one is IR receiver, and here we have the LED so which blinks corresponding to the IR transmitter. So if it receives any obstacles or anything else that is coming near to it, this will blink here. And this IC is made to use these two transmitter and the receivers at the same stage. And here we have used a potentiometer to increase the gain and lower the gain. So I'll be just showing you how this transmitter and receiver of this IR works with correspondence to this LM358. So I'll be just blocking my finger here, and we can see this is transmitting to this and this receiver receives and we get here. So what does it show? That there is some obstacle coming nearby and this blinks showing there is some obstacle. So this IR sensor with this LM358 can be used for many applications, for line followers, for robotics, or for obstacle detection and for many other applications. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com. Thank you.